At first glance, this question looks so basic, just two square roots and a 5. But don't be fooled, these kind of math questions messes with our brains, then checks how we use our logical thinking. Pause this video for 10 seconds and try it yourself. X plus 4 is more than or equal to 0, that is, x is more than or equal to minus 4. Similarly, 9 minus x is more than or equal to 0 and x is less than or equal to 9. In other words, minus 4 is less than or equal to x and x is less than or equal to 9. So x is allowed only between minus 4 and 9. Think of it like an amusement park. If your height is not in range, you don't even get the ticket. Now instead of carrying these heavy square root everywhere, let's give them nicknames. Uh, A becomes square root of 1 plus 4, and then you can assign B as square root of 9 minus x. So the equation can simply be written as x plus a plus b equal to 5. Now comes the dangerous looking step, squaring. But don't panic, we will do it slowly and safely. A plus b whole square equal to 25. Expand this, we get a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to 25. Then we can we write a square equal to x plus 4? Yes, the same way we can write b square equal to 9 minus x. So we can write the entire equation as x plus 4 plus 9 minus x plus 2ab equal to 25. It becomes 13 plus 2ab equal to 25. Simplifying further, we get 2ab equal to 25 minus 13, or 2ab equal to just 12. ab equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6. We can further simplify, and we can also a plus b is equal to 5 and ab equal to 6. This is like saying two numbers add to 5 and multiply to 6. Let's write it down. 1 into 6 is 6 and 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 into 2 is also 6 and 6 into 1 is 6. If I add these two, we get 7. If I add 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 6. Now we can notice that 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 gives the answer as 5. So we can consider A as 2 and B as 3. We can write as 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 2 into 3 equal to 6. Step number 5, convert back to x. So let's convert back to x. So consider case number 1 where a is equal to 2. So we get square root of x plus 4 equal to 2, or x plus 4 equal to 4, or we can write this as x is equal to 0. Let's consider case 2 where a is equal to 3. Square root of x plus 4 x plus 4 equal to 3. Sorry, 3, or x plus 4 equal to 9. X is equal to 5. So we can write the roots as x equal to 0 and 5. So think of